Before we start off with this video, I actually just got a Lego magazine, and it's really cool. Anyways, hey guys, and welcome back to another Sneaky Sasquatch tier list. Yeah, we're actually doing some new things that people will actually like to watch now. All right, so today we are rating the vehicles, and instead of the outfits. Anyway, let's go rate. So the Jeep, let's just put it in the C tier, because apparently, why I put it in the C tier, it's fine. Hold on. Let me put the names. All right. Oops. Good. And for the F tier. Gag fuel. All right. So let's see. So we put that there. Why I put this in this tier is because apparently the price, bro. The price. Let's put this car in this too. Canoe. Gag fuel. About this, let's just, I haven't even used that. Actually, you know what? I have an idea. Never used. Caps. Alright, so let's put this in never used, but that's really in a really expensive item. Alright, I recommend that. Let's put the delivery truck. It's fine, I guess. Taxi, it's fine. This is the sports car. It's fine. You know where this is going. Alright, so this I have never used because I do not have money. Nor this. This. Fine. I recommend that badly because it's pretty good. This truck, I recommend because, you can haul lumber with it, obviously. Go-kart, it's fine. Costs a lot of tickets at the arcade though. This goes into highly recommend, and also this. So there you have it, my tier list. Let's check out other Sneaky Sasquatch vehicles tier list. Let's do some other ones. This is the one we did on Vismato. I did it on what was it? Oh yeah. On my mobile on my iPad, Vismato. I'm gonna see if it changed. Nothing has changed. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.